Hello, my name is Gabriel, and today I'm going to be doing the demo for the OpenML CDI. This is a platform that connects users and experts, users who have a data set that want to upload it to OpenML, but it doesn't really fit the strict formatting and the metadata for it. And experts are people who are going to help the users. So here I'm logging in with GitHub, and since my browser already has the login, it automatically does so. And here is the page for my data sets and the upload. I'm going to click here, upload, and I'm going to upload a random video. I'm giving here the name for the data set, and the name, the last name, and the email address gets automatically taken from GitHub. So we upload this, and the upload has been completed. And then we have the metadata configuration. Here there's a few fields that the user has to initially fill in, but then there's others where the researcher is gonna help them do. So here you can see, for example, the file description, the hash, all of that stuff. And so I'm adding the description for this data set and the creator. So I'm just gonna put my name, and all of this other stuff you don't really have to fill in if your data set doesn't have those attributes. And then I also need to do the license. So if you try and submit something that doesn't without certain important fields, it won't submit. So then I save the data set, and then if you click on the data set, a new page is created where you can see all of the necessary requirements for it and the life cycle of it.
Yeah, and in this page, the expert who will be reviewing this dataset can download the croissant metadata that was configured by the user. This information can be changed by the user in real time in the My Datasets page. They can choose to configure the metadata again, or they can choose to configure. They can choose to delete the dataset if they want to. Furthermore, within the dataset, the user and the expert can conversate together in order to come to the successful publishing of the dataset on the OpenML page. However, this feature is currently disabled in the demo.
Thank you very much.